Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a template using the Explain Everything app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Explain Everything app, then go to the home page or to the library, because we are going to need to open some of our projects, which you can access from the recent projects at the homepage, or in your library you can see all your projects. Now, to create a template, you will have to create that template as a project. So let's say this is my new template, this season's project, and to save it as a template you have to tap on these three dots, which are in the corner of the template, and then you have to open the profile, as you can see here. And at the profile of the project you can see the title of it, you can share it, you can invite others to the project, you can see some details as the date of creation, the date of modifications, file size, number of slides, and the time, the duration of the project. Now, to make this project into a template, you just have to tap on these three dots in the corner, and as you can see, some options pop up. This way you can change the name of the project, you can duplicate the project, and you can save the project as a template. If you tap on it, it's going to load, and what a save! Your project just got saved as a template. And from now, when you create a new project, let's tap in on the new project, and you tap on template and you go to my templates, this template is going to show up. If you want to remove this as a template, you just have to tap on the X icon, and you can delete selected item, and it's going to remove it from the templates. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.